Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Lacing your boots correctly will protect your ankles and provide stability when skating.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Loosen the laces and place your foot into the boot. Step 2. Lace from the toe to the ankle, keeping your foot upright when lacing. Step 3. Lace one hook at a time, coming over the lace downwards to lock each hook in place and stop the laces from slipping. Step 4. The base of the ankle needs most support, and so make sure the laces are tightened firmly in this area. Pull the laces tight as you progress up the boot. Step 5. Tie your laces in a double knot and tuck the free ends under the laces. The boot should be firm but not too tight.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Keep your foot in the upright position whilst lacing. Make sure your boots fit correctly. Don't over-tighten your boots so you limit circulation. Don't under-tighten your boots so the foot slips around inside the boot.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Loosen the laces. Keep your foot upright. Support the base of your ankle. Make a downwards locking cross. Tie a double knot and hide the ends.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.